Good morning, children. Welcome to Naveen Sir class. In previous class, we learned about fractions, different types of fractions. Today, we will discuss ascending and descending order fractions. Let us discuss about the ascending and descending order fractions. So ascending is nothing but the numbers we are writing from smallest to biggest number, and descending is nothing but from biggest to smallest numbers. So this ascending and descending order we are writing in fractions. So here first let us write the ascending and descending order for like fractions. First we will discuss about the like fractions, how to write these like fractions in ascending and descending order. So let us take one problem. 1 by 7, 3 by 7, next 6 by 7, 5 by 7, 15 by 7, 11 by 7. So here all denominators are equal. Such type of fractions are called like fractions. So which fractions have a same denominator are called like fractions. So for these fractions, following fractions, we should write the ascending order and descending order. So first let us write the ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending is nothing but we are writing the fractions from smallest to biggest. So here we have the denominators are same. Then what we have to compare? So we have to compare the numerators. By comparing the numerators, which is the smallest factor, first we should write. So here compare the numerators 1, 3, 6, 5, 15, 11. So which is the smallest numerator? 1. So let us write 1 by 7. Next 3 by 7. Next 5 by 7. Next 6 by 7. After that 11 by 7, and last one is 15 by 7. So in this way we have to write the ascending order of like fractions. Next we will write the descending order. Descending order. So descending order is nothing but we are writing the fractions from biggest to smallest. So it is quietly opposite to the ascending order. So this is the smallest to biggest. If you write reverse, then it will be the descending order. So here 15 by 7, biggest number. Then after 11 by 7, next 6 by 7, next 5 by 7, next 3 by 7, and then last is 1 by 7. So in this way, we have to write the ascending and descending order of like fractions. So let us take one more example. 2 by 9 and 5 by 9 and 16 by 9, and one more, I'm taking 10 by 9. So these like fractions we should write in ascending order and descending order. So first let us write the ascending order. So ascending order is nothing but smallest to biggest. Let us compare the numerators. Which is the numerator? This is just numerator 2. So 2 by 9. After that, next numerator is 5 by 9. After that, yes, 8 by 9. Next 10 by 9. Next 14 by 9. After that, last and 16 by 9. Next descending order. Nothing but reverse we should write. So smallest to biggest, ascending order. Descending order is biggest to smallest. Then if you write reverse, then you will get the descending order. So that is 16 by 9, 14 by 9, 10 by 9, 8 by 9, 5 by 9, and last is 2 by 9. So in this way, we will write the ascending and descending order of like fractions. Next, we will discuss about the ascending and descending order of unlike fractions. We will discuss about the ascending and descending order of unlike fractions. So, for unlike fractions, we can't tell just by looking at the numbers which are smaller, which are bigger fractional numbers. So, to compare such unlike fractions, we have to convert them into equivalent like fractions. So, what we have to do? We have to, if you want to compare such type of unlike fractions, we have to must convert them into equivalent like fractions. So for unlike fractions, we will find the ascending and descending order. So let us take one problem. 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 3 by 9, and 24 by 18. So here these fractions have different denominators. Such fractions are called unlike fractions. So here, by looking these fractions, which is big and which is smaller, we can't tell. So such type of fractions, what we have to do? We have to convert them into equivalent like fractions. After converting into equivalent like fractions, we can write in ascending order and descending order. So, how to convert these unlike fractions? By using LCM. So, first let us find the LCM of these numbers or denominators. LCM of 3, 6, 9 and 18. So, equivalent like fraction means we have to equalize the denominator. After equalizing the denominator, we can write in ascending and descending order. So, here we have to find out the LCM of these denominators 3, 6, 9 and 18. So, by using LCM division method, 3, 6, 9, 18. So, I am taking with 3 table, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 six are. And again I am taking with 3 table, 1 as it is, 3 table 2 it will not go. So let us write as it is, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are. So now I am taking with 2, 1 as it is, 2 ones are, 1 as it is, 2 ones are. So now let us multiply these numbers to get the LCM. 3 into 3 into 2. So 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18. So LCM of these 3, 6, 9 and 18 is 18. Now we have to equalize the denominator by using the LCM. So let us take first fraction 2 by 3. So here we got LCM 18. So this 18 we should make as a denominator. So here in 3 table 18, how many times it will come? 6 times. So let us multiply and divide with 6 for this fraction. 6 by 6. So 2 6 are 12 by 3 6 are 18. Next fraction 5 by 6. In 6 table 18 how many times it will divide? 3 times. So let us multiply with 3 times. 3 3s. 5 3s are 15 by 6 3s are 18. Next fraction 3 by 9. So in 9 table 18 how many times it will come? 2 times. So let us multiply with 2. 3 2s are 6 by 9 2s are 18. So here last fraction already we have 18, no need to this. So now let us write these following fractions for what we got equivalent fraction like fractions. Let us write. So for 2 by 3 we got 12 by 18. Next for 5 by 6 we got 15 by 18. For 3 by 9 we got 6 by 18. And last fraction is as it is, we can write 24 by 18. So now here all denominators are same. Then we can compare easily the following fractions. Now what we have to compare? So we have to compare the only numerators. Let us write ascending order. So 12 by 8, 15 by 8, 6 by 8, 24 by 8. Ascending order nothing but smallest. 6 by 18. 6 by 18 is belongs to this fraction. So first fraction we should write as a 3 by 9 ascending order. 6 after 12 by 18. So 12 by 18 is belongs to which fraction? 2 by 3. Next 2 by 3. Next biggest fraction is 15 by 18. So 15 by 18 is belongs to 5 by 6. Next 24 by 18. So like this we will write the ascending order of unlike fractions. Next we go for descending order. Descending order nothing but reverse. We should write a reverse. Biggest to smallest. So it is 24 by 18. Next 5 by 6. Next 2 by 3. Next 3 by 9. Like this you should write in ascending and descending order. Let us do one more problem. So these fractions 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. These unlike fractions we should write in ascending and descending order. So first we have to find out the LCM of 2, 3, 6, 12. By using LCM division method 2, 3, 6, 12. So I am taking with 2 table, 2 1s are 2. In 2 table 3 will not come. Let us write as it is. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. Now we can take with 3 table. 1 as it is. 3 1s are, 3 1s are and 3 2s are. So now again with 2 1 1 1 we should write as it is and 2 1s are 2. So let us multiply these numbers 2 into 3 into 2. Then 2 3 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Therefore, the LCM of these denominators 2, 3, 6, 12 is 12. Now, let us convert into them into equivalent like fractions. So, let us take first fraction 2 by 3. So, in 3 table 12, 4 times it will come. Let us multiply with 4. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Next, 1 by 2 into 2 table 12, 6 times it will come. 6 by 6. 1 into 6, 6 by 2, 6 are 12. Next fraction is 5 by 6. So 6 table 12 2 times, then 2 by 2. So 5 2s are 10 by 6 2s are 12. So now last fraction is 7 by 12. We will write as it is. And then for formality we will multiply with 1. So 7 ones are 7 by 12 ones are 12. So now these fractions we should write in order. So in this, which fraction is least fraction? Yes, 6 by 12. Least fraction. After that, 7 by 12. After that, 8 by 12. After that, 10 by 12. Now we will write the ascending and descending order of these like fractions. Why? Because denominators are equal. These unlike fractions we converted into like fractions. Thereafter, by comparing the numerators, we will write the ascending order and descending order. So let us write the ascending order of these like fractions. So 6 by 12. So 6 by 12 is which is 1 by 2. It is equal to 1 by 2. Actual fractions we are writing. So next is 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 is actually is 7 by 12. Next 8 by 12. 8 by 12 is actual fraction is 2 by 3. Next 10 by 12. So in this, which fraction is left? 1 by 2 is finished, 7 by 2 is finished, 2 by 3 also finished. Which fraction is left? 5 by 6. So this is the ascending order. And let us write the descending order of these fractions. So reverse, we should write reverse. 5 by 6, 2 by 3, 7 by 12, 1 by 2. So in this way, we will write the ascending order and descending order of following unlike fractions. Homework problems on ascending and descending order of fractions. Write the ascending and descending order for following fractions. You should write the ascending and descending order for these following fractions. So I given 4 bits. 2 bits are given as a like fractions and 2 bits are given as a unlike fractions. So let us find the ascending order and descending order for these like fractions and unlike fractions. Keep watching. Thank you.